Trello Project Management tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you all about Trello.com, how you can use Trello.com to manage, collaborate, and create your new tasks and team to get more productive and save a lot of time. So let's get into it. What you have to do is you will simply go to Trello.com and you will land right here. Trello has all the right features and tools for you where you can create your own boards, list, and you can create different tasks in each list. You can assign tasks to your team members. You can manage and create your content boards. You can plan your week with your team. You can integrate different applications such as Slack, Gmail to your Trello in order to organize your team, get more productive, and manage your projects as a small team or as an individual too. So to get started, what you have to do is you simply type in your email address, and once you add your email address, you will be able to sign up. I have signed up. I will simply click on go to my boards and I will land right here. So after the initial sign up, this is where you will get, and in here you can see I have different workspaces. I can create a new workspace, and there are a lot of options that you're seeing here. And as a beginner, you might get confused. So let me actually show you around so there's no confusion at all, and it's very easy for you to use. So when you sign up for Trello, this is where you will get, right? We have workspaces, and in workspaces, I will be able to see all of my workspaces that I have created or I am part of. Okay, then we have recent. I will be able to check my recent workspaces that I have opened up, my starred ones, or templates. We get the create option right here, and create allows us to create a new board. So on Trello, you will have your own board, and let me actually show you. For example, this is a board template that I have opened up for you. This is what a board looks like, and this is what you will be creating too. This is what we create. We create a board, and then each board has different lists for you. Like this is list 1, list 2. You give them name, and then we can add different tasks to our list. We can move tasks from one list to another with the simple drag and drop, and each task has different options for us. After that, you can see again I'm getting the board option right here, templates, and all of my workspaces. So I can create a new workspace from here, and what you have to do is you simply click on this plus icon. It allows you to create a brand new workspace, and then your workspace can have different boards. Let's say that you're in sales or you are in marketing. You can create a workspace with the name of your team. You can create workspace for sales, right? For CRM, and then you can create a board for operations. You can create a board for sales. You can create a different board for your deals. So that's how it works. You simply give your workspace a name. I'm going to call it test workspace. You choose the type, and we have different types available. We have human resources, marketing, education, sales, CRM, and others. So I'm in marketing niche. I will select this one. Our workspace description right here, and we click on continue. Once you do that, then your new workspace is created. The next thing is going to be creating your own new board. So to create a new board, you can go to new board option, and then you have to type in your board title, whatever board you're creating. So I'm creating a board for content management. And then we have workspace. So for workspace, I am going with test, the workspace I just created. Then we have visibility, and it is going to be a private one. You can create a workspace for all of the members, and then you can also create a public one, but I'm going with a private. So this is the background, but I can select any background from here. We can change background anytime we want to, or we can actually go with a simple color too. So this is like how you simply create a board. I can just select this background. All I have to do now is click on create. Now, when I click on create, my new board will be created with this title, with this visibility, everything. This is the background. And then I will have to start from the scratch. There is a template option available as well. Let me show you if you go with a template. So what happens is you can see right here, we have different templates available, such as Agile board, Kanban template, we have project management. Let's go with Agile one. Let's get a preview of this one. So you can see right here, this is the preview. You can see right here, this is a pretty simple template. So you can go with this one, and it will have all of these different lists right here, like a done one, current sprint, in progress. So this is a template. You can choose from different templates available on Trello, or you can simply start from the scratch. I am going from the scratch, and this is my background. Now let's just click on create. Once you click on create, your new board will be created. And there you go. I have my own board. I have content management. This is how you create a board on Trello. Now, the thing is very simple. You will be able to get different views. Right here, we have a board view, we have list view, then we have our workspace name. I have my visibility. This is my account. I have power ups, automation, filters, and more. So let's go ahead and add list. So to add a list, you simply type in the name. So I'm going to create different list, such as the first list is going to be to do. Let's add another one, which is going to be in progress. So these are the different lists that I have created. I have to do, in progress, completed, error, and ideas. Let's go ahead and add different tasks to different list. So I'm going to click on add card and create a task 1. Click enter. A new task is created. Again, task 2, enter. Task 3. So this is how you simply create different tasks. To open a task, to add more options, you simply click on a task. Like I have selected task 3. Now I will be able to add description. Then I can add members. I can assign it to myself. I can add different labels, and we can create different labels in Trello. So to create a label, you can see right here, these labels do not have any name. So I will simply click right here and give this green one a name. A green one is going to be called scripts. Click on save. Orange one is going to be editing done. So I have created these different labels, and let's say that this task 3 is actually a script and the VO is done for this one. Also, it is very important. These are going to be the labels. Similarly, I can add date. So I'm going to set a due date for this one, and it is going to be Saturday. And all I have to do is click on save. Now I can attach if I want to. If I want to attach anything, I will simply go ahead and attach from here. And then we have the cover option. So cover option allows us to add different covers to all of our different tasks. So I'm going to select this cover for my task. There you go. Now simply click on save, and it will be saved. If you want to copy it, make a template out of it, you can do that as well. If you want to add power-ups and automation, we get the option here. Simply close the tab. And there you go. This is the task that I just created. Similarly, I can create task in any of these different lists, or I can move a task. Let's say that task 4 is in progress, or maybe task 1 is actually completed. So that is how we simply move different tasks from one list to another. To add power-ups is like integrations. We can add Slack, we can add Drive, we can add email, whatever we want to. Simply click on add power-ups, and it takes you to your Trello marketplace, and in here you will be able to add a lot of different integrations, and you will be able to customize your Trello experience. Then we have automation option, and in automation we get our own buttons, we have email reports and rules. We can also create different search, and then again we have a menu where we can add different boards, we can change the backgrounds and more. We can also add stickers to our different tags. You can go to stickers, and we get these different stickers. Let's say like maybe this one. So you will simply drag it and drop it right here, and a sticker will be added to your board. That's like a very cool feature we get on Trello. And then, of course, we can switch between our different workspaces if we want to. We can get to our recents. I can also get a list view, timeline view, table view, and a calendar view with our own Trello Pro. So these are different, tasks that I have created, and you can, simply add different tags, stickers, and backgrounds if you want to. We can move a task from one list to another very easily. And this way you can manage your team, you can create different tasks, and you can organize your own workspace very easily using Trello.com. And I hope this video was a big help to you. And now you know from the start how to create a workspace, how to create a board, how to create a list, and manage your work using Trello.com. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.